Okay, I'm back. So we got our pie crust. It rose. Okay, we got it. Okay, there, I got it. So now we gotta put the pie crust into the pie tin. First, we gotta roll it out because it rose. Because the dough rolls. Okay, so I got flour and got Ginger Evans, not sponsored. All-purpose flour. Doesn't really matter on what kind of flour you use. Use whatever flour you want. And then I have to roll it because you have to get the thin sheet. Thin sheet. And then we'll make the scorch marks on it. Okay. So I'm gonna bring you guys to the table. You guys can see the table right here. Right here. So that's the table. That's what we're gonna do it on there. There we go. Now we're good. We're not putting this on the dirty table. We're getting a plate. A turtle plate. Don't need to mention it. I don't have a roller or a rolling pin. So we're gonna roll with our hands. So now we got our thin, we got it mixed. So now all we gotta do is thin it out. We're not making cookies, we're making pie, so. But I kind of messed up and didn't read the pie directions. I just read the holiday cookie directions. So this is for holiday cookie directions. But you can use it as a pie because it's the same ingredients and everything for this and pie. And it's just made differently. Still forgot to put flour on it. So I already missed one step. So I got my flour. Generously put it everywhere and then just do this. Remember, be generous with this one. And then we'll clean this up after because we can't really do that now. And then we get our, basically it's cookie dough, like sugar, holiday sugar cookie dough. And then I'll make a video for Christmas on making food, okay? Making our holiday food. Me and my dad will make the dinner, and I'll make the dessert. I'm not telling you what dessert is going to be for. That's just going to be a surprise for you guys. And I said too much, so we're not mixing, flattening it out, thinning it. And that should be good enough, like this. Now, peel it off. And then we'll put flour on the pie tin. Remember, be generous when you're doing everything. But also be like really careful when picking it up, because it could crack and then you have to do the process all over again. So now it looks like a pizza. Okay, and I put my flour so it'll come off when it's done cooking. Oh crap, we do gotta save some because I am gonna make apple pie. So I took like this much. Actually, I'll move you guys with me so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm over here at my pie tin. So I'm just like separating it because I forgot to that we're making apple pie and I'm putting crust on top. So it already has the flour on it, so I'm just gonna do this and do it on the plate actually. But we're bringing the plate over here. This way we also have a thinner sheet. And since we have a thinner sheet, it'll cook better. I know it looks like cracked a little bit, but we're just smoothing it out so it can reach the areas that we need it to reach, and then we'll spread it evenly across everything else. We're making a Granny Smith apple pie. And since this is floured, it should come right off. Need to be careful with this process. So first, let me sprinkle some flour on our pie tin. That's a little thicker. Okay, right here it's thick everywhere. So we're just getting pie crust out. So now, oh crap, it's cracking. Okay, just forget that process and we'll just smooth it out on here. Because it shouldn't be that different. Because it kind of cracked because it's too thin on that one. And also it's easier because now we know where the edges are going to be. So we do this and we get that out. Okay, now it's time to get our apple topping, but topping or filling. But this is gonna be like, we're gonna roll it out and make it all nice and smooth. And then at the end, when it's all done, like tomorrow, for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna put some oil on top of it, and it's gonna be so good, so delicious. How do we do this? Prepare pie crust according to package direction for 2 pie crust pie. 2 crust pie. Spread. Filling evenly in crust. Okay. Into the crust we go. I don't know if I should cook this first and then put the pie in, or prepare 1 crust pie, prepare package, half a package. That's the right. Oh, okay, so we have to bake it for 10 to 30 minutes. And that's what we're gonna do. So let me make my scorch marks first. Wait, does it say preheat my oven? Well, it's baked as a 2. Okay, that's not it. Where is it? It's baked. Preheat oven to 425. 450, right? 425, I meant. $25. Now we gotta leave it for how much? Okay, for 150 actually. There, and now for 15 to 20. I mean, 10 to 13 minutes. 10 to 13 minutes. I'll do 13 minutes because I really want it to be cooked. And put that crust in. I should probably put something underneath it, but I'm not sure what to put underneath. It should be fine. Okay, there we go. And then we'll put this in it. And then we'll put the topping on it. And then I'll be right back after it's all done. Hold up, I can't find it. I think I got it.